In-game immersion is unparalleled with gaming headsets, which puts you in the middle of a virtual battlefield. They are more accurate than traditional headsets and gives you a competitive edge in multiplayer games. When we hear the word gaming headset, Sennheiser is not the brand that pops in the mind. They are more towards studio-grade and professional headsets for precise audio enhancement. But they actually do have a few tricks up their sleeves for the gaming market, introducing the GSP 305, a sleek, comfortable, and decent-sounding gaming headset. Let's see if it's worth the investment. This headset is a special one that came into existence through the collaboration between Sennheiser and Tencent and is going by the name Paladin Edition. Pop opening the box, you will be sliding out a black protective enclosure and on top of it an adapter that takes in the audio and microphone connections and combines them into a single jack along with a user manual that serves no purpose, so let's just throw it out. Inside the protective case, we have the headset itself, which is pretty well packaged, and that is pretty much it. This headset boasts a snowy exposure with Paladin's crystal symbol on both sides coupled with the Sennheiser logo. The theme further stretches to the microphone as well, giving the headset a complete and wholesome outlook. The aviation-styled headband feels squishy to the touch and has a teal gradient to it and holds up quite well to maintain the overall theme. As for the ear pads, they are made of memory foam cushions with a synthetic-styled leather coating that too feels soft and comfy. The downside of this synthetic leather coating is that it might get warm quicker during long gaming sessions as they are not breathable enough. If you have large ears, you might struggle a bit to fit your ear inside of it, but users with medium-sized ears will find it great. Let's put it on and see whether it lives up to its potential. At first instance, the headset does feel quite comfortable to wear, and although it doesn't have noise cancellation, the earpads do a remarkable job to keep your ears covered and isolate the noise effectively, which in turn reduces the external clutter by a significant proportion. And then, we also have adjustable sliders that are fairly easy to calibrate to suit the shape of your head for an overall custom fit. Although the slider mechanism is made of plastic, it feels solid and relatively smooth. The headset does feel lightweight though, thanks to the padded headrest which perfectly distributes the 290 grams of weight. The volume control wheel is located on the right-hand side and features an intuitive design for ease of use. However, there is a downside to it. Upon rotating the wheel backward to some extent, you will be able to reduce about 70% of the volume pretty fast, and the rest of the rotation doesn't do much reduction at all. On top of that, the sound keeps coming out of it even if you reach all the way back with the wheel. With that aside, let's talk about its technical specifications. It is equipped with 40mm drivers with a frequency response of 15 to 26,000 Hz and a sound pressure level of 113 decibels at 1 kHz frequency. We took all that number crunch and put it to the test. While listening to music, the lows were pretty enjoyable in maintaining the authenticity, but the highs were not up to the mark. In fact, if we want to be honest with you, it was pretty average compared to the other headsets that you will find at this price range. Even at half the price, you can get the Corsair HS60 Pro, which looks, performs, and delivers more than what this headset is delivering. It also has a 7.1 surround sound channel for greater in-game immersion. For gaming, however, the headset did stand its ground as we were able to precisely pinpoint the directional audio and were able to tell where the bullets were coming from as well as the footsteps of the opponents. We have also tested the noise-cancelling microphone that automatically activates when you move it forward and deactivates itself when you turn it in the opposite direction. The sound you are hearing right now is coming from the headset's microphone. There is some background chatter going on, and in case you hear it, please let us know in the comments. As a gaming headset, this one is highly compatible with multiple platforms that include your smartphone, desktop, as well as gaming consoles such as the Xbox Series X, PlayStation 5, and Nintendo Switch, all thanks to its included adapter. Overall, the GSP 305 has a deep and powerful sound and awesome noise suppression, but at this price point, we have loads of options that are far better than this one. Yet, Sennheiser is popular in the studio-grade headset arena, and as a first step towards the gaming market, the price is quite justifiable due to their brand image. If you are in for aesthetics and comfort, then going for the Sennheiser GSP 305 won't hurt you that much. But if dynamic audio is what you are looking for, then we suggest you look elsewhere. And that concludes our review of the Sennheiser GSP 305. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and hit the subscribe button for more upcoming videos.